Real quick garden update. It's still, it's been raining a lot, as y'all know. And I just want to show you my cucumber trees. The wind has bent them over. Look at that. The posts that they were on, this one I had to just prop up by bricks. But there's cucumbers in there. There's one there. There's one in there. There's some babies on here, but there's a lot of bee activity. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but there are a lot of bees over here. There's cucumbers all through there, so I'm just not gonna go through there right now. I'm not that brave. Cucumber plant has grown all the way down, so I need to get that from connected there. The watermelon, they're slowly growing, but they are picking up in size. The cantaloupe plant, as you can see, it's really becoming a tree there, and here. We have lots of green bean flowers starting to come in now, so that's a good sign. I still probably need to come out here and fertilize because I do see some yellowing. Over here, nothing exciting going on except still getting nasturtium flowers. Peach tree, she's growing. I have my first jasmine flower. I have more zucchini coming in on this plant here. I had some baby squash down here. I lost a plant, but I do have some squash coming in through there. And back here, oh, I have another green pepper. And then back here, raspberries are going to be growing there and there. No blueberries yet. The sunflower is finally growing. The green bean plant that I didn't think was doing anything is now producing flowers, and she has vined up even more. The lemongrass is super tall. The okra that's in there, look at that pretty zinnia. The okra that's through there, those are growing. And then this plant is starting to grow more, getting taller, and the vine is going around. We got one little baby tomato there. Nothing more is really happening over here. Well, other than we're getting more flowers coming in, and oh, more tomato flowers. So that's what's going on in the garden after all this rain. And now let me show you what I got out of the garden. Oh, look at the time. And here are my garden gifts for today. We got a couple of tomatoes. These are gonna have to ripen. They had fallen off of the vine already. We have 3 little cucumbers, a bell pepper. This one was supposed to be that chocolate pepper, but I didn't let it finish turning because the other ones had holes in them, and I didn't want this one to get a hole in it. And then we have another little pepper, and these are spicy. I forgot the name of them, but those are my garden gifts for today.